So today's dish is just like a superfood, especially for the diabetic person. So first what we need is garlic and ginger. And now we need very healthy vegetable, Karela. Remove the seeds and so we cut like this. Now we will move to next step. We will use wok oil. So first we will do shallow fry this Karelas. Why? Because it helps to eliminate bitter taste. Shallow fry on high flame. So see the color. Now it's done. Now you can take it out. Now in the same oil we will add zira and now we will add onions. Just remember one thing, onions we need little much good quantity. If you have 6 pieces of medium size Karela, then you can use 3 medium size onions. And at this point you can add salt also. Turmeric, red chili, coriander powder. And now we will add ginger and garlic. Little bit water. And now we will add tomatoes and green chilies. You can take 2 medium sized tomatoes. So the ratio is 6 Karelas medium size, 3 onions and 2 tomatoes medium size, and green chili you can add as per your taste. Now cover it. So tomatoes are done. Now we will add this turmeric, chili, coriander paste, little bit of water. Roast on high flame. Fried Karelas. Now cover it, let it cook for 5-6 minutes. देखो हो गए, अब इसको मिक्स कर दो। this is done. See this superfood, especially for the diabetic person. You can eat this with chapati. Enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned, stay healthy. Take care. Hospital.